Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw another dinosaur face, and I'm going to be showing you how to draw a Carnotaurus face. Now if you guys would like to see other dinosaur faces, definitely let me know and I'd be happy to draw them for you. But thanks for watching and I hope you guys enjoy. Now to start off with our Carnotaurus face, we're going to begin with the eye. So I'm going to start right about here, and I'm just going to make a little line. It's just going to kind of come down. It's going to go up and down here. Then I'm going to make a little line. It's just going to go down and up. I'm going to draw a little circle shape in here. And then I'm going to make a circle, and I'm going to color in most of this, leaving just a little bit white. We'll add a couple little lines underneath here. And then a couple little lines around the top and bottom. Now starting here, I'm going to draw some little lines. They're just going to kind of go up and down. And you can see they got a lot of bumps on them. I'm going to draw a little line. It's going to kind of come down, and then it's going to come up for a broken line. Now starting out here, I'm going to make a long broken line. It's just going to come out and then down. And then I'm going to make kind of like an oval shape like this. Draw a little line. It's going to kind of come around. Then out here, I'm going to draw a long line. It's just going to go out, and then it's going to come down. I'm going to bring this line out a little bit. And then I'm just going to bring this line down. It's going to come up and then down. Next, I'm going to bring this line up, and I'm going to start going up and then down like this, just to add some texture. And I'm going to make it a little bit pointier, to show that there are like some points and spikes on them too. Now right about here, we're going to add one of those horns. So I'm just going to make kind of like a bumpy line that's just going to come up, and then it's going to come down. I'm going to do the same thing over here. I'm just going to kind of go up to a point, and then we're going to curve this one down a little more. And we're going to bring this down. Next, starting here, I'm going to make some kind of long lines. They're just going to start a little bit lower than the previous one, and they're just going to kind of come down. And this is just to show a lot of like wrinkles and stuff on the back of the neck. Next, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down to here. And then we're just going to bring it up. Draw a line that's going to come down and over. And a little line that's just going to come down. We're going to go out and then up. I'm going to bring this line down. We're going to curve in like this. Starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to come down, and we're going to make some broken lines that come up. And we're going to do this all the way around here, just to show more of those wrinkles. So we're just going to kind of bring these lines all the way up to here. Right here, we're going to add a little curved line. This is just going to be kind of where the mouth kind of stretches, the back part. And we're just going to add some little lines in here. Next, we want to move on to the teeth. So the teeth are not really big on this guy, so we're just going to make some smaller pointy teeth. And then they'll be a little bit bigger at the top. So we'll draw some sharper and a little bit bigger teeth along the top of the mouth. Starting here, we'll draw a line that's going to come down like this for the tongue. Then another line's going to go up and it's going to come down to a point, and then it's going to come back. Next, we're going to bring this line up, and we're going to add a little curved line here for the other side of the mouth. And we'll add some more teeth on this back part. Now here's our basic shape of our Carnotaurus. Now what we want to do is start adding some more details in here. Now to start off, let's begin by the face, or the mouth. So I'm just going to make a long broken line along the top and along the bottom. And then we want to draw some little lines that come up here. Just show like there are like some cracks and different splits, just for a little bit of texture. I'm going to draw some extra little lines down here. I'm going to draw a little line right around here that comes down, and another one there. I'm also going to make a long broken line that's going to come up and down here, just to show where those like indentations are in the face. We want to draw some spikes back here. So they're going to be a little bit different sizes. Some are going to be bigger, some are going to be shorter. And then we're going to make some of these lines start to come down and run into these as well, just to show a lot more texture and detail. Make some broken lines along the tongue. And then I'm going to make some broken lines that just kind of curve around these horns, just to give them a little bit of texture. Maybe some lines that run down and up a little bit. A few more right along here as well. Add some more around here. Add some more broken lines. I'll put a few little like partial circles in here as well, just to add a little bit more texture and detail to here. Give some more of those kind of scaly effects. Just kind of place these all around in random spots. Some more little broken lines. And we're just going to add some more lines right around here. Going to come in here and put a few more lines right around the eye. And maybe a few more by the nose. And there you go. There is your drawing of your Carnotaurus. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.